399 ito each. 3. Guys, this is a buy one take one. So, tingnan natin magkano. It's 99 pesos. 50% off ang 9 West na watches. Ang Ancline naman ay buy one take one. This is on sale from 549, 400 na lang siya. Naka-sale from 524, 399 na lang siya. Guys, this is a buy one take one. Yan. Tapos ito din. And then this flavor. Hi guys! Welcome back sa aking channel. My name is Hazel. To those who are new here, please consider subscribing. And we are here sa SNR. Today is August 1. It's Thursday. I'm gonna show you what's on sale, kung anong mga bago, and anong mga buy one take one. So please continue watching. Unahin natin tong malaking TV na to from Devant. It's 85-inch smart. Ayan guys, oh. Mura na tong ano na to guys, American Home front load na dryer, 7 kg ang washing machine na yan, and naka-less siya ng 3,000, so eto na lang siya ngayon. Mura na yan compare sa labas. Magandang quality rin yan kasi ganyan din yung sa bahay, and 6 years na siya. Whirlpool. It's 32,998. Dati siyang 40,998. And that LG front load inverter washer, it's 23,000 or 22,995. Itong top load washer na to, 9 kg, ayan, 21,995. Dati siyang 26,995. And this one, LG top load, it's 20,995. So 1,000 ang difference nitong LG at nung Samsung. Carrier aircon, dati siyang 37,100. Ayan guys ang details. And this cold front 1.3 HP portable aircon, ayan, 15,999. And meron ding maliit na carrier which is 26,300. That's the detail. And Fuji Denso which is 1.5. It is that one. And meron din ito guys. Fuji Denso na 1 HP 21,498. By the way, meron din ditong portable na ito, Tyler. Yan, Tyler yan, which is 26,995. Dati siyang 29,995. Ito siya, guys.
Is it magiging ang best?
50% off ang 9 West na watches. Ayan yung mga prices. Ang Uncline naman ay buy one, take one. 7,950. Ang gaganda ng mga designs.
$6,950 po siya.
Mas barato ang sa Pikas.
Yes po.
Ay, nice. Good na siya. Ay, nice. Good na. $6,950. Buy one, take one. Guys, this is a buy one, take one. So, tingnan natin magkano. It's 99 pesos. The Breville, naka-less siya from 102, 995, less 10,000. So, gusto nyo ng Bowman, pero wala naman siyang less, 24,995. Itong mas maliit is 5,995. Ang ganda nito. It's 6,995. This one, meron ka ng coffee maker, meron ka pang pop-up toast breakfast, which is 1,495. So, i-compare mo siya, guys. Ito, 1,495 and the other one is 4,995. And ang meron sila dito na Nespresso is the Initia, which is 8,095. Meron ding Dulce Gusto. It's this one. The Tefal High Speed Blender is this one. And naka-buy one itong personal blender na to, which is this one. Meron silang double wall blender, tumbler. Bago daw to, from 1,995, 1,595 na lang siya. So, it's new. It's 480 ml. Ayan guys, oh. It's 1,595. Merong meat slicer dito, which is 18,995. And they also have the food chopper, which is 1,495. KitchenAid, nakalas ngayon ng 1,000 from 27, 26 na lang siya. Ito guys, yung mga turbo. Ito buy one, take one. This is new here, the multi-cooker hot pot, 4 liter. Ang ganda. Ayan o, ang ganda niya. Hot pot, steamer, rice cooker as well. So, 4,995. Yan yung mga steamer. Buy one, take one. Itong 2-layer, 5 liter na steamer na to, which is 1,995. 1,395 naman to, pero hindi siya naka-sale. Smart rice cooker ng Bowman, which is 10 cups, 3,995. And merong Tiger, which is 7,995. Merong rice cooker ang Tefal, which is 4,495. The indoor smokeless grill is 5,495. And then ito yung cute. Kikita ko to sa TikTok. It's 3,260 or 3,290. And then ang deep fryer nila 1.5 liter. Ito yan guys, oh yan, black ang brand. And that one 2-in-1 tabletop griddle with hot pot is 4,000. Guys, buy one take one itong vacuum na to, 3595. Handheld vacuum from Black. So ito yung mga presyo ng mga electric fan here. Buy one take one pa rin itong 9-inch na to. It's 1395. Wow, ang sarap ng hangin ng Westinghouse na to. It's 4,000. Etong Vornado, it's 5,495. Ito yung kanina, 7,499. That's the one. And then ito, 3,995. Ang bulky naman na. Ito naman, 2,995. Si Tyler. And the big one is 3,995. Yun, 3,995. Yun yung mga electric fan nila. Itong tower fan, 29-inch, ay naka buy one, take one. Ito yan guys. From Black na brand. Itong Tyler naman, 5,595. Yan, hindi siya naka-sale. Or naka-sale ng 1,2 pala, may bawas. And then itong bladeless na isa with humidifier. Ito na guys. Ang ganda. Ito oh. Yan. And Dyson Cool from 28,995, 19,995 na lang. So yan ang mga presyo ng mga Dyson here. With the details. Ayan. And the crane, which is kamukha rin ng Dyson. Ayan. Meron din yung isa, 5-in-1, air purifier, bladeless fan. There you go. This is a buy one, take one. It is a 5-liter food steamer. 1,995. And then yung black na fan is 2,395. Ayun. And this bread toaster, 4,995. That rice cooker over there is a buy one take one. But wala yung presyo dyan. Anyway, yun ay 1,995. Yung kitchen locks, buy one take one. Ito pala yung mga watches kanina. This induction cooker from Black is a buy one take one. It's 2,995. Buy one take one itong Dyson na to guys. 19. Oh sorry, hindi pala siya buy one take one. Nakaless ng 9,000. Na-mention ko na pala kanina doon. So ito yan no. $1,299. Pepper meal and salt meal. Mga Bluetooth speaker. Ito headphones 2,695. Ito naman Bluetooth speaker 1,999. And they have the microphone, which is the wireless. It's 6,000. This air fryer is 2,695. And this is a buy one take one na nandun sa harap kanina. It's 2,195. Saan ka pa? Ang electric fan may bawas na 25,000. Samsung ito guys. From 96 or 97,000, 72 na lang siya. I'm gonna open it for you. And this is the detail. Open it. And ito yung kabila. Ang laki niya. $21 cubic feet naman from 66,998 naging 55 na lang siya. Samsung. Ito yung LG, dati siyang 59,48. 20 cubic feet, 21 cubic feet, 23. And dito tayo sa 22 cubic feet ng ano to, American Home. 37,000. This is huge, guys. Ito yung comparison, ha. Papakita ko yung aking card. Yan o, ang laki niya. It's what? 2,499 jars. Ang laki. $1,299. This is $699. Simple Indulgence Bath Collection. It's a body cream. And this one is $999. Ito naman, may body lotion din. May hand cream, may body scrub, $699. $399 ito each, $399. Walang sale ngayon na lifetime table. But I just want to show you it's 4,500. This 8 feet. Ayan, kung naghahanap kayo ng Samsonite na bag, dalawa na siya, isang hand carry at isang pang check-in. Ayan. And that is from 20K, 18,000 na lang, nakaless ng 2K. And if you're looking for a chair pads, 1.5. 2-pack. And meron din sila ditong fly throw, which is yung parang blanket. $999. Ang ganda ng tela niya. Wow, ang sarap. So, eto pala yung ano guys. Oh. Ito yung maliit. Ganda nito. That's 18,000 from 20K. Ang laki ng trampoline, and that is from 20K or 19,500. It is 16,000 na lang. Sobrang laki niya. This throw pillow is from $999 ngayon, $599 na lang. Ganda ng quality. Itong mga towel na to ay buy one take one. 500. Brand is Silver and Sage bath towel. Itong isa Aqua Collection bath towel. Same price, 500 pesos, 499. Buy one, take one. This beach or beach towel ay 1.3. Ito din pala guys, mas mura siya pero lighter siya. Yung mga color niya, pastels. Mas madali siyang kapitan ng dumi or obvious ang dumi. It's $399 or $400. Buy one, take one. Ito lang, yan yung mga pastel na yan. Ito, same na nung sa likod, which is $499. Comforter na fitted sheet is buy one, take one, 3,000. Ito namang body pillow, buy one, take one, 1.3. Ang hanger na yan ay buy one, take one, which is $399. Ang storage na to ay $199 or $2,000. Storage and shoe rack, $2K. That cloth is $1,500. Cute nito. 3-seater swing bed is $13K. Oh, I'm gonna show you that LED solar pathway lights. Yan, outdoor. Yeah, of course, pang outdoor. It's 8 hours. Pero wala siyang price. I'm gonna look for the price. This heavy-duty container or storage box is a 30 liters, 899. And meron silang umbrella na ito, guys. Ewan ko kung magkano. It's 6.5. It is what? 9 feet umbrella. 3-step na stairs. 2,199. Ito, walang presyo, hindi ko alam. So, yan lang may papakita ko. Car mat, 5,299. Para sa kotse yan na humidifier, 149. And this one, tire inflator from Goodyear, it is 1,000. Modular closet organizer, and that is 6.5. Bamboo food wrap dispenser para sa foil and yung ano ba tawag doon? Basta 1,000. And then this rat gray ang color, which is from sa kanila members selection is 2,000. Cute. Grabe, from 23,000, 10,000 na lang siya. And meron siyang kasama, ito, 8. I know, kasama na yan, guys. Kasi nakalagay doon, Concept Living Lounge Chair with Ottoman, it's 10K. So, both na sila. Oh, ang ganda nito. Grabe, from 32, 23 na lang. 4 piece. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, ito yan. Exactly that design. Ang ganda. Actually, yan, lahat yan. And that is 23,000 from 32,000. Ang ganda nito, guys, oh. From 26, 23,000. That one is 40K and that one is 17,000. Ang cute naman ito. This is 700. Hand soap, hand lotion. 700. My cosmetic bag na siya. It's 1.3. Cute. Ito naman, naka-box cylinder. 1.3 din. It's 399. Si Zip, it's 4 liter. Si Joy ay 350. Yung lemon. And yung antibac is 359. Parehong 3-pack, 540 ml and 550 ml. Laki nito. This is 399. 529. And yan naman ay 899. Arm & Hammer 1.3. And si Surf laundry liquid, it's 649. 599 ito or 600, and this one is 1,600. 699 ito. And this Fabcon 4 liter ay 379. Yun namang nakasako na yun ay 599 or 600. Arm & Hammer Pure Baking Soda, 6.1 kilogram. It is 749. Arla na chocolate milk. It's 1 liter, 115. This is on sale from 549, 400 na lang siya. This is the pink salt. And ito naman, sea salt. It's 535. And the iodized or the sea salt fine grain pala, hindi siya iodized. It's 269. 63 pesos si Magic Sarap. Kosher salt for the coarse kosher salt is 399. 306 si liquid seasoning na 1 liter. Mahirap to gamitin, guys. Nahirapan ako kasi tumatalsik siya kapag mainit na yung pan. So hindi ko ma-advise. Maganda pa rin yung bawang na fresh talaga. Ito yung ginagamit ko. It's 314. Ito yung sriracha na powder or yung seasoning 564. 624 lemon pepper. Ito yung Himalayan. It's 239. Meron na siyang grinder kasama. Itong isa, grinder to. Dry Juju Red, 109. And this is, what's this? Fried shallot crisp, 89. Meron sila ditong mushroom na dried shiitake, which is 449. Ayan. Their quinoa is 549. Ito yung ginagamit ko. Tricolor. It's 549, 2 kilos. Ito yung dried black fungus. It's 245. And 509 yung malaking shiitake mushroom. With strong flour, 219, and that is 2.5 kilo. Itong isa, 5 pounds is a what? What's that? All-purpose flour. Ayan. Cornstarch and rice flour. What is this? Glutinous. Ang kanilang all-purpose cream here is 66 pesos. They have Alaska condensed 68. Ebop is 54. 399 ang Hershey's na to. Special dark. And the bigger one, natural and sweetened, 645. Raw na almond, 449. Pistachio na raw is 449. Sa mga nagbe-bake. Oreo na crushed, 157. Si Barrel Dark Chocolate, 321. And Hershey's is 325. Yan, yung mga presyo na yan, guys. Ha, pause and zoom na lang. Thank you. And dito sa baba, mas mura talaga siya compare sa SM. 300 something na yan doon. Yan ang ginagamit ko for cookies. Guys, pag may budget kayo, bili kayo nitong mga Ghirardelli na ready brownie mix, or yung mga cookies, ganyan, or muffin. Ang sarap. Promise, hindi kayo magsisisi. At may tissue dyan.
Sa mall naman, balik ko rin mo mama.
700 plus sa mga malls. Ito guys, bago to dito. Caramel, sweet and salty.
May siya.
$5.99 lang siya. Update ng mga olive oil prices. 2,579 si Kirkland, 3 liters. Ayan. Sunflower, 849. 5 liter. Ito yung cooking spray, 259. Canola oil na 5 liter, 849. Corn oil, 3 liters, 399. Vegetable oil, 20 liters, 1989. Vegetable oil na 4.7, 16. 500 pesos naman ang 5 liter ng vegetable oil na yan. So, 100 per liter siya. Coconut oil, 3 liters, 395. Ito siya. Sriracha mayo is 175 from 205. Ito naman 364. Samjang 229. 220 itong sriracha na to. From 235. Bagoong plain with pork na siya. 175. Brand is Boyong's. And ito spicy with pork. Same, 175. Salad toppings or garniture, original, mga seeds siya guys, 509. Ito 509 din siya, may wild berry. Yan. Italian dressing 219. QP salad Caesar 369, and then that one is 219 yan guys, 229. And then ito ay 269 Thousand Island. Ito naman si roasted sesame dressing, which is 599. Bulgogi marinade, it's 199. Ito for beef. Ubus na yung, ito yung galbi naman. Bulgogi galbi, 199 and 194. Orange sauce, 309. Oh, ito pala yun. Ito guys, bago to. Hindi ko to nakita sa nung last month. So, this is 309. Balik natin. Mang Tomas, 51 pesos yung 550 milli or 550 gram. Ito yung mga ready-made na curry. This is from Japan. 257, 165, 310. Ito naman ay 165. Fish sauce, 139. And sweet and sour, 139. Chick-fil-A sauce original, 349. Meron pala to nito dito. Parang ngayon ko lang nakita to. Parmesan 600 or 599. 454 gram. Diced 8 cans na siya, 632. 179 si capers. Yan. May pimiento yan guys. And yung plain lang is 199. Yung may pimiento 329 ha. Then etong black olives ay 199. 249. This is the brand na meron sila for lasagna. Plant-based protein. Ano to? Spicy tequila lime flavor. Kaya yan. 129. $144 ito. Alam niyo guys, bago to. Spicy tequila lime flavor. 182 tong corned beef na Delimundo chili garlic. Naman si Ranch 380 gram 160. $8.99 na uli siya. Dati siyang 1,000. Spam is 207. Prem is 184. Coffee bean 579, 10 piece na yan. Itong Blendy 144. Arizona green tea, eto guys, 49 pesos. And then this is 88. Itong malaki is 269. Si Poca ay 59. Wala namang presyo to guys. Sorry, hindi ko mabigay. Ito namang ano na to. 239 si grapefruit. $122 si Mogu Mogu coconut. And this one is 122. So it's the same. Lahat yan 122. Lahat ng flavor na yan. $270 pag tatlo. Four Seasons. Kapag mango, $294. Guys, oh, meron silang passion fruit. 374. Ito, 324. 364 naman itong klase na to. Tang is 745, 22 quarts. Pink lemonade, 789. It's 2.33 kilogram. Same lang nito, but it is 584. I mean, same sila ng servings. Magkaiba ang brand. Updated price. So this is 210 and this one is 220. 200. Yun naman 199. $259 ang kanilang banana chips. This is an almond pecan clusters, coconut and pumpkin seeds. Oh my gosh, guys, it's 899 pala. 899. Trail mix daw, lemon, blueberry, it's 899. 649, the green peas with garlic slices. And the trail mix or the planters deluxe mix is 1549. 1549. Ito mga seeds na to, super seeds 129 and 189 ito. 189 is super garlic mix. Savannah mixed nuts honey 14. And 899 itong mixed nuts na to, pero sweet siya. Guys, ito ay 529. 16 ounce na pistachio with shell. Almond with sea salt, 800 grams, 700. Guys, oh, ito naman 329. Ito pala guys, yung 2 kilo na peanut na to ay 600 or 559. Irvin's here is 596. Salted egg potato chips. Itong tatlong mix na to, hot cake mix ay 269 or sorry, 171, tatlo na. Yung 269 guys are ito. Malaki. This Nesquik is 649 which is ilang kilo yan? 1.275. Pepero naman ay 359. Ito, 359. Si Nutella from 529, 479 na lang siya. So may bawas na 50 pesos. Instant regular coffee, 200 gram, 379 Colombian. And then si Folgers, 849, which is half kilo. Ang decaf naman ay 379. Etong gold ay 479. This is 30 pieces, 186. Folgers guys, yung malaki 43.5 ounce, 1,049. And then si Kirkland Signature Colombian 1.3 kilogram, 1,200. Oh, si Dunkin 2,000. And the other one is 1.4. Original blend 1.4 and 2,000 naman si decaf. So they have here yung mga Dulce Gusto 429, 16 cups. So ayan. Ang mga nila, yung Starbucks naman ay 399. So, coffee creamer tayo, 429. Yan. And then si Coffee Mate, 269. Ang green tea na to guys ay 199. And then this one ay 129. Guys, meron pang Cancunis ngayon, no? 408. White milk tea, which is 299. 15 pieces na siya. They have also the matcha here. Green tea drink mix, 699. Pang smoothie. Ayan yung mga tea dito. I'm gonna show you one. Ano to? Matcha latte. This is 279. Honey is 1.4 from Kirkland, and then yung agave 399. They have the organic raw honey 410. Guys, ang stevia here 800 counts ay 1.5. They have the organic coconut sweetener 325. Ito naman yung cocoa sugar 395, yung kanilang 1 kilo. Yan ang 50 counts, that one. Yan guys, ang kanilang sweetener, stevia, equal, and members selection. Guys, ito yung ginagamit kong soy milk. Okay naman siya. Masarap and affordable. It's only 112. And meron silang oat side dito. Pero chocolate lang, which is 182. Yan ang mga soya milk, 319. Ito, 1 liter, 4 na siya. So, mas cheaper siya compare sa kanilang soy milk, which is from the Kirkland. Oat milk, 137 ang kanilang brand, which is 209. So, yan guys. Merong almond milk dito, which is 6 pack, 779. Guys, masarap tong ano na to, almond milk na to. Compare sa mga yan na brand. And of course, ito masarap, si Califia. 249 and this is 189. And the silk is 179. Tingnan nga natin ang protein nito. Protein is what? 1 gram. Ang Dutch meal na available dito ay ito lang. 81 pesos, 4. And yung flavor na yan ay parang mga berries, mixed berries. Lacto-free, 129 from Arla. Low fat from Cowhead, 101. And then yung lactose-free ng Cowhead, which is 119. Ito guys, mga milk, pure full milk pala. Organic, 141 from Arla. And that one is natural, low fat, 93. Banana flavored milk drink, it's 199. Same lang nitong melon and strawberry. One of the best. Alaska fresh milk is 92 pesos. Cowhead, 98. This chocolate is 1,609. 859 si assorted choco mix. And eto guys, ganito lang to, masarap to. Kala nyo lang. From UAE. It's 249. Same with this. It's 249. And from Meiji, 239. Gram 252. So same lang sila nitong black. This is 186. This is from 439, ngayon 280 na lang siya. And that is 299. Same with that, yung mga Hawaiian kineme root. 299. Itong Reese na to, 402. And then this almond is 1,049. And this one is what? Bakit? Ano to? Lote? Yeah, 399. Naka-sale siya from 524, 399 na lang. So same with this. Guys, oh, naka-sale. From 524, 399 na lang siya. Product from Korea. Twix nila ay 309. KitKat, 229. Oh, Kinder Joy ay 405. Maltesers is 569. And yung Lindt nila guys ay 1,000, which is 999. Ito siya. 600 gram. This is 359. 360 gram. Ito naman guys, 6 pieces, 300 grams siya lahat total, which is 50 gram each, 379. Guys, this is 229. Ang Mercy nila 319. Itong Ferrero na to, ito 699. This one. Same with this, 699. This one, ito naman ay 349. That KitKat is 249. Tootsie Roll, 760 pieces, 799. Guys, so ito yung boba milk tea na mochi. It is 589. So yan yung mga bago dito. And the malted chocolate egg rolls, 999 yon. May nakaharang kasi kaya hindi tayo makalapit. And then 369. Hindi ko alam magkano to guys. Bago to. Hindi pa nila nilalabas yung presyo. So, I don't know. And yun naman, biscuit na yun or yung bread na yun ay 369. So, ayan. 174 yung mga yan. Okay. 179 in time na kasi pasukan na ulit, so pwede yan baon ng mga bata. Yan is 474. Pepperu 329. Chocofield na Pepperu. 299. Itong ano na to. Cookies. Ang daming laman. And then that biscuit, almond butter, is 1,400. Wow. Shortbread, 249. Peanut butter cracker sandwich, 189. And then this cancho from Lotte is 144. Guys, this is a buy one take one. Yan. Tapos ito din. And then this flavor. Yung white. 189. Itong chocolate cookies na to. 15 packs. Almond cookies. Peanut and almond cookies. 799. And Mrs. Fields. 249. This mandarin orange juice is 114. And then yung Lay's, guys, ay 77 pesos. And the potato chips is 179, which is this one. Ruffles na cheddar, sour and cream, 156. And same with that. Yan, 156 din. And itong Lay's na to, 150 ounce or 15 ounce. Basta. Yan, 359. And then, itong Cheetos na to, crunchy, is 389. Malaki siya eh. Ayan o. Big one. Itong mas maliit, cheddar jalapeno, crunchy, Cheetos, 156. Ito naman yung malaking Doritos, 354. 156 ito. Itong dalawang to. This is 229. This is the version ng Biscoff na Lotus. So, ito naman yung from UAE, which is 319 lang siya. And 560 gram. Ito yung mga presyo ng mga cheese. They have here the cheese spread, 238. Then, Cheese Whiz, 183. Eto, masarap to guys, 199. Cream cheese, Pinar. Yan yung mga favorite ko dati sa Dubai na binibili. Sarap. Peanut butter, 498. Both creamy and crunchy. So, ito yung mga prices ng mga jelly and jam. So guys, these are the available na yogurt here. They have the Greek 521, itong malaki. And then ito yung mga plain na yogurt lang, 204, may 310. So ito yung mga lollipop yogurt, 123, yan sila. Also, ito yung mga mix, 237. Berry mix, mga yan. Tapos, yan, yung mga yogurt na milk, 239. There you go. Tapos, ito, 276, the yogurt. Ito, mga milk tea na yan, 164. And the creamers, 520 yan guys, oh. Oat creamer. And this one, 429. And then, fresh chocolate milk is 520. Ano? Bukidnon kasi yan. Walang presyo. Sorry, I cannot give. Okay, dito tayo sa kabila. Dito mas malalaki. 334, malaki yung print. Yan, 334. So guys, ito yung fresh milk na meron dito sa SNR and dito sa Davao City. This is from Bukidnon. It's 239 and that is 1,000 ml. Same din nung chocolate milk na yon. So ito 334. Ito naman 249 and that one is 579. So yan ang aming fresh milk dito. Sa nagre-request, yan na po ang price. Ito yung mga cheese na available here. Ricotta. Ayan. Pa-zoom na lang guys. Open ko na lang for you. There you go. They have the orange chicken, mandarin orange chicken. It's 629. And then yung PF chunks na shrimp lomien, 929. Yung kanilang orange chicken, 779. So yan. And then meron din sila Mongolian style, 779. Wow. Meatballs, 1,899. Mga ready na pot pie, turkey pot pie. Ready to eat. Microwave na lang. Risotto, 400. And ito yung mga pasta nila. They have the ravioli, 329. Yung pizza, 579. Meron din yung thin, 5 or 759. Ayan. Ito guys is 579, 759, 839. And 199. Guys, ito oh, lasagna, 900. Hot Pockets, 259. $269 ito, 259 this one. Guys, masarap tong White Castle na to. 599. Cheeseburger, slider, 6 pieces. Ito naman, cheeseburger, jalapeno. 6 sliders din. So, 399, 599. And this is chicken, 599. Corn dog, 749. Ito naman, 669. Merong minis, it's 749. Beef taquitos, it's 359 ito. Ito, I don't know, walang price. Ito guys, net spring roll, 399. Merong kimbap dun sa taas, which is 204. Ano, walang price, sorry. Ito pala yun, stick fish cake, 249. And the other one is 199. 239. Yang ano na yan, bun. Or the siopaw, 10 pieces, 384. Leek dumpling, 214 sa mga vegetarian yan. Ito naman isa hindi, shrimp yan, 279. And that one, chapsay mushroom or mushroom, 429. Yung isa naman, vegetable chapsay, 389. There you go. Guys, meron silang picnic bacon na tinatawag. 1,083 per kilo. For example, itong maliit na to, it's 194. And dito tayo sa bacon, 692 per kilo. So, ayan. Ito yung mga wraps nila dito, which is 144 yung wheat, and onion chives, 144. So, yun yung mga, oops, nahulog. These are the sausages available here. Ito yung pinaka-favorite ko. Si kielbasa, 573 per kilo. And then next sa favorite ko is yung Hungarian. For example, ito 606 ang per kilo. So 460 ito. Itong pack na to. On sale ang Corona, 326 from 489. Johnny Walker, 1,199 or 1.2 ang kanilang 1 liter. Mule is 529, 12 pieces, 12 bottles. And yan, may mga less, ang mga alak na yan. And also guys, kahit yung kanilang chivas, ayan o. Paki-zoom na lang or pause guys ha. Tresemme na shampoo or conditioner, Keratin Smooth ay 479. Yan, Intense Repair Conditioner ng Dove is 899. So, ayan guys. So, ang mane and tail ay 679. Mga conditioner, ito kanina yung shampoo. So, ito yung macaroon, 599 from 1,000. Hair mask. And then 216 yung daily treatment keratin from Cream Silk from 259. Ito yung mga toothpaste nila available here. 309 Colgate and it is 4 tubs or tube. 309. Ito, 309. Ganun din, 4 tubes from Close Up naman. Yan. Ang 174, ito. Si Crest 249. Ito, Sensodyne na to. Diba, ang dami niya. 261. Tatlo na siya. Ito naman ay yung for sensitive protection. Apat siya, which is 2,000. So, 500 each. Ayan yung ibang mga presyo, guys. And, let's go to the mouthwash. Crest yung available, which is 399. Scope, then si Colgate. And, yeah. Toothbrush. Guys, ito yung sinasabi ko last time. 389 ito, 300 ml. Sa Watsons, 210 yung pinakamaliit. This is one of the best na sunscreen or sun protection. 459. Hindi na naka-sale ito. Last time kasi 300 plus to. So now it's 499. Guys, ito yung mga Cetaphil for babies. Yun yung 409. And then, ito naman, mouthwash, sorry. Bath and Wash, 459. And 525 or 529 si Aveeno. Ang cleanser nila ngayon ay 999. So, ayun. Ito yung mga sabon. Dove, 419, 6 na peraso. And then si Ivory, 10 piece, 349. Ang bango nito, guys. Then sa Irish Spring, 20 pieces, 200 or 929. Safeguard, 464, 8 bars. Same with this. Okay, balik tayo. Si Olay naman ay 6 bars din, 529. So, narinig nyo ba ako, guys? Ayun, 529 si Olay, 6 bars. Si Dove, 419. Si Safeguard, 464. Yan. Okay, si Dial, 549. Yung sa baba na Dial. And then, itong sa taas na Dial ay 684. Eto, guys, ang dami. Pasalubong. Huwag na kayo bumili sa kung saan man kayo, guys. Dito na kayo sa SNR. Ang dami, oh. 1299. Tsaka ang bigat nito, ha, pag dadalhin from abroad. And also, guys, they have the Bio Oil skincare oil here, which is 1237. Meron din yung isa, shower oil. Ito, Bioderma or Bioderma. It's 2199. Ito yung isa. Neutrogena is 2K. Ito yung mga advanced repair na lotion, guys. So, si Nivea or Nivea, 899. Si Vaseline, 399. Cetaphil, 1K. These are the available supplements here. Vitamins. Zoom in na lang, pause. Kasi ang dami nila, guys. Hindi ko sila mababanggit isa-isa. Primrose, 1379. Ito guys, yung mga formula ng mga bata. Milk. Similac. Lactum. Promil. S26. Non. Nido. Enfagro. Pedisure. And then, they have the milk for the grannies. Yan. Ensure. We have 3,304 yung nasa lata. And then si Anlin, 1,249. Yan. May Adult Plus na Bear Brand, 489. On Mom for mga pregnant. So, eto guys. O si Glucer, no? 3K. 3,500 naman yung isa.
Need to get the top first.
That is 1,300. Pero ang cute niya ha. Olive hand cream. Ang ganda, may lagayan siyang ganyan. So, isang klase siya. Dalawang klase. Isang lavender, isang olive. And that is 1,300. Ang haba ng pila, guys. Pag ano.